Wholesaling FSBO properties involves finding FSBO listings where sellers are open to selling their property below market value for a quick sale. Here's how you can wholesale FSBO properties effectively. Find FSBO leads. Utilize online platforms like FSBO.com, ForSaleByOwner.com, and Zillow to identify FSBO properties that fit your investment criteria. Drive around neighborhoods and look for for sale signs with contract information. Negotiate a contract. Contact the seller directly and negotiate a purchase contract at a price significantly below market value. Emphasize the benefits of a quick and hassle-free sale for the seller. Perform due diligence. Conduct thorough due diligence on the property to ensure it meets your wholesaling criteria. This includes assessing repair costs, market value, and potential resale value. Assign the contract. Once you have the property under contract, assign the contract to an end buyer for a higher price than your contracted price. The difference between the contracted price and the assigned price is your wholesale fee. Close the deal. Coordinate with a title company or attorney to facilitate the closing process and ensure all legal requirements are met. The end buyer completes the purchase and you receive your wholesale fee at closing.